吓？唔係啩？真㗎？講笑咋？愚人節快樂！搵呢啲嚟講笑，你好無聊咯。Sometimes, when translating from English to Cantonese, a direct translation might work, but often it doesn't make sense or fully capture the meaning. Take the scenario we watched at the start of the video, for example. Some people might translate 無聊 as boring, but it actually means more than that. 無聊. This explains why translation isn't just about word-for-word translation. It's about understanding the context behind the words. So what does 無聊 mean in the scenario? It actually means pointless in this context. Let me give you another example. 套戲都唔知講乜嘅，九唔搭八，勁無聊咯。As you can see, 無聊 also means pointless. But of course, 無聊 can mean both boring and bored. 好無聊啊！我覺得好無聊啊！都唔知做乜好。That is why it is important to understand the context. Sometimes we use 無聊 to emphasize something that is insignificant or unimportant. 你做緊乜啊？冇，啲無聊嘢啫。你搵我有事啊？ In this scenario, 無聊嘢 means something unimportant. It suggests that the speaker is free and ready to chat on the phone. 冇乜特別啊，想搵你傾下啲無聊嘢咋。你得唔得閒講兩句啊？ As you can see, 無聊 can be used as a neutral word in some contexts. As mentioned earlier, we use passive voice differently in Cantonese. Find out more in this video.